It's supposed to say 555 on here somewhere. Because there it is. Now you just, excuse me. You just take this here. I'm in the strange light. All the way around. You have to pull the paddle up and down. Get it off the bottom first, and then, but you got to work the paddle right up at the surface. Tilt it some. Get it to mix it to consistent. Goes from brown to silver when it's all mixed up right. This roof you got to walk about. Step about every 30 inches, 2 feet to hit the rafters, because it's just sheet metal. And you can see this coating isn't too old, but my brother just blew off the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right here. It's leaking on the inside. Excuse me. And it could be, but you usually can't tell. Could right there over the edge. So I'm just going to goop it up good. And I brought this smaller bucket because that 5-gallon bucket's too heavy to tote up here. And so we one-handed push it in a little bit to get the hole or crack filled up. Go over the edge. So, go around, see, this trailer is ready to go to I'm ready to be repurposed. You put an ad in the paper, and so I'm going to tell you they can have it. They come and haul it away. It's a pretty big deal. Look at how long it is. And then we'll build something, sticks and bricks out here, which would be nice for a change. Okay. I forgot the name of this stuff the auto mechanics use to get the grease off their hand, but it works good for cleaning that Henry's 555 roofing off of your hands. I guess because it's oily and this cuts it. But of course, wear old clothes or something you can throw away. There might be a way to get clothes clean, but I don't know. How do you put it back on with your thumb?